Eating healthy doesn't mean that you have to compromise on taste. Today, I have brought to you a recipe which is healthy as well as tasty. We're going to make a burrito bowl. Let's see how to make it. So we're going to start by making the base of our burrito bowl. Today, I'm going to make it with red quinoa. You can also use any other grain of your choice, but I find this to be fully packed with protein and it also has a lot of minerals and vitamins. So I'm switching it up and it's also tasty. So there's that. So I'm just going to add this to my pot. This is 1/4 cup of soaked quinoa. I've soaked it for around 30 minutes. So the ratio of quinoa to water is 1:3. So if you have 1/4 cup of quinoa here, you're going to add in 3/4 cup of water. Make sure to wash the quinoa very well to remove all that bitter taste from it. Now I'm going to switch on the flame on medium. I'm going to season this with a bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. This should take around 15 minutes to fluff up completely and be cooked. So we're going to switch the quinoa over to the other gas to cook our veggies. We're going to saute our veggies in a bit of oil, around 1 to 2 teaspoons, 1 clove of garlic which is finely chopped, half a green chili which is sliced. Next I'm adding in 1.5 sliced onion along with a pinch of salt to make sure that it softens instead of catching any color. And to add a pop of color, I'm using red capsicum. You can use yellow or green if you like. And cook it for about 30 to 40 seconds. I'm adding a few chopped coriander leaves and a bit of taco seasoning. This is as per taste. It's very easily available in the market. It's a nice seasoning mix which is very Mexican style, so goes very well with the burrito. And our cooked veggies are ready to go. I have some cooked rajma over here. I soaked it overnight and I cooked it in the pressure cooker for around 6 to 7 whistles. Now it has a bite to it, but it's cooked through completely. So I'm going to remove it in a bowl. I'm trying not to take any of the water out. So as you can see, the rajma is properly cooked, but it is also holding its shape. Now we're going to make a salsa with our cooked rajma. Add some garlic to this, half a green chili which is sliced. You can change the quantity as per your liking. Next I'm adding in tomatoes, followed by some frozen corn. So because our rajma or kidney beans are still warm, the frozen corn is going to thaw in our bowl itself. A handful of coriander, followed by some taco seasoning. Season this with a bit of salt, freshly ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is going to brighten everything up very well. Let's toss it up. Our colorful salsa is now ready. Let's set this aside. You'll know that the quinoa is cooked when it pops open and you can see the inside bit of it. I'm going to take it out in my bowl. I'm going to season the quinoa with some lemon. Next, I'm adding in some chopped coriander. On this bed of flavored quinoa, we're going to add in our other components. First, I'm adding in our sauteed vegetables. I'm going to add in the salsa, a few slices of cut avocado. In the center, I'm going to add in a bit of sour cream. I'm going to season it with a bit of taco seasoning. And I'm going to season the avocado with some salt and pepper. Our burrito bowl is ready to serve. I've tried to make it as colorful as possible so that I feel like eating more of it. So you can actually make this your own by using vegetables that are beneficial to you as a person. So definitely try this recipe out and let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika taking your leave from Rajshri Food.